One of the biggest mistakes that a new store owner does is go with a product based on their intuition. That is the most stupidest things that you can do, I would say. Instead, what you need to do is use free online tools to do your product research. And I am stressing on the free. There are free online tools, and you can use all these free resources and come up with a product that really is going to sell. How do you do that? Use Amazon. Now, I want to repeat that. Amazon is a free resource that you can use to do your product research. You simply need to go to the bestsellers section and see what's selling the most. Now, you would typically start your research, let's say, in the United States. So you need to go to Amazon.com and go to the bestsellers section and then see what's selling the most. Now, you're not restricted to just Amazon.com. That is Amazon.co.uk. There is Amazon.ca. You can go to Amazon Canada, Amazon UK, and follow the same strategy to come up with the bestsellers that already have a demand. So that way you're not coming up with a product that you build your entire store on and then keep your fingers crossed trying to get it sold. That's not how it works. You need to see whether people are really demanding for that product or not. Now, how do you know that the bestseller is going to sell as well? It's not necessary that once you find a bestseller on Amazon, it's the final strategy. You need to again cross-validate that on Google Trends. Now, with Google Trends, you have another advantage. You may come up with a region that you didn't even think of, like let's say Germany, or maybe Brazil or some other country. And how do you do that? You simply take that bestseller and type in the name, the product's name, and enter into Google Trends. Now, by default, it will default to the country that you live in. It may default to United States. So it will show the trends for United States or the country that you're living in. But you just need to select the drop down in the country area and select worldwide. With this, you get to know the worldwide demand for that particular product. You can then decide whether you want to sell it, let's say, in the United States. So then you can research again on Amazon.com, and maybe it has a demand in UK. So it will show you the percentage of demand that it has. It doesn't show you the exact volume or something, but it will show you a graph with the percentage of demand, like maybe it's 90% in the UK, 70% in Canada. So based on that, you can make your decision on where you want to sell. Okay, so use such free online tools to come up with your product research. Don't go by intuition. That is the most foolish thing that you might end up doing. So this is an advice that I have for new store owners.